Hello.
It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages, Junior.
Minganye, me banye de manye, me iyo ya kenye fenye ya ojugba. Mwene, me falanye, ken bale Guan with Kunya channel no. No mo baka seji, so cholo ye ga remomi, niji eteno. What jishishimomo ni wo yana wo kase, wana feni, wanye wanu shishi ojugba. Yes, like I earlier said, we are still on our Ga Adjectives 3 lesson, and this is the third part in the series. And we shall be looking at how to form adjectives. So this is just the how to form adjectives in Ga, or how to form basic adjectives in Ga. Yes, actually, you would need the Ga Adjectives 1. Which we have studied previously to help you to understand this lesson better, because we studied some basic adjectival words in that previous lesson, and we shall be borrowing all those words to, or much of those words to make this lesson a complete one. So without much time we waste, let's just begin. Well, in Ga adjectives, okay, what you have to note is that for the adjectives, okay, this is how we form it. It is noun first, followed by adjective. Noun first, followed by adjective. Then where you have articles, okay, then the article will end. So it's noun, adjective, then article. Okay, that's how it is. So let's take our first noun. Beke. Beke means child. Let's take an adjective for to say a male child. So we'll take no. No literally means boy. Okay. By this time, I'm going to use, I said in Ga Adjectives 1 that no could translate as either male, boy, man, toddler. Once the gender is masculine, it's masculine. Okay. So anything masculine, we use no for it. So when you say beke child, you're going to attach no. In this case, then no translates as male, so male child. So like I told you, the noun first before the adjective. Noun before adjective. So in this case, beke no. Beke no. Hope you get it. So child male or child boy. So then no is the adjective so describing the beke. So the noun should come first, followed by the no. Beke no. Gbekenyo, female child. Gbekenyo. Now, yes, literally Gbekenu means male child and Gbekenyo means female child. But the real translation is maybe young boy. Gbekenu, young boy. Or Gbekenyo, young girl or young lady. That's the appropriate translation. But because I'm explaining, that's also explaining it that way. Also, we have Onukpa. Onukpa means an adult. So let's take no. In this time, no is going to be our noun. So no, Onukpa, like adult male or adult male or grown up man or grown man. No Onukpa, yo Onukpa. Well, when it comes to the Ga community, what the usually says no Nukpa, no Nukpa, but then actually in written it's supposed to be no Onukpa, but usually you hear them say no Nukpa. So if in case you hear someone say no Nukpa, it's just that the person has elided the O, but it's the same thing. Or yo Nukpa, but yo Onukpa should be the actual thing. Now let's come back to Beke no again. We want to add another adjective to qualify young man. So in this case, young man is going to be our Now yes, so gbekenu. Let's use the adjective bibio. Bibio means small. So gbekenu bibio. Like gbekenu bibio, more like small young man. So when it's a young man but he's just small, gbekenu bibio. I don't know how to translate to English, but it's more like small young boy or little man or little boy. Yeah, little boy. That should be the right translation. Little boy. Gbekenu bibio, little boy. Gbekenu bibio, little girl. Or better still, you can say gbekenu fio. Gbekenu fio or gbekenu fio. So you can interchange bibio or fio. Okay. So now let's take kakadang. Kakadang means long. So gbe means road, right? Gbe means road. So gbe kakadang, long road or wide road. Gbefinton, narrow path or narrow road. Gbefinton. Let's take goga. Goga means bucket. Goga. So goga agbo. Goga agbo, huge bucket or big bucket. Goga agbo. Goga bibio, small bucket. Goga bibio. Now let's take bomo. Bomo means human. Then we have being. Bomo adisa. Bomo adisa. Now let's take bomo adisa, but now let's clear the adisa for the. Now let's say a good person or good human. Now bomo means human, right? And from Ga Adjectives 1, good is ekpakpa. Ekpakpa. So we'll say bomo, the A must go, if you remember. You could just like A true, A yeah, and the A always vanish. This is from Ga Adjectives 2. So the A must also, we say bomo pakpa. Bomo pakpa. Now aside bomo, we have another way of saying person. Bomo means human, and mo means person. Mo means person. So mo pakpa, like good person or good personality. Bad is egbonyo or efon. So bomo bonyo, bad human or bad person, or mo bonyo or mo fon. Usually usually mo bonyo doesn't sound well. It's correct, but it doesn't sound well. What sounds well is mo fon, mo fon, mo fon. So mo fon, he's a bad person or she's a bad person. Remember, ne translates as she is or he is or it is. Remember, he is actually jile, but we contract jile to ne in Ghana to make things short. So more fun. Okay, let's take a noun like wolo. Wolo chaka chakani. Wolo chaka chakani. Chaka chaka. Chaka chaka. Chaka chaka. How do I translate chaka chaka? It's like dirty, ugly. Yeah. Chaka chaka, like something foul. So wolo chaka chakani. I know chaka chaka is funny, yeah, but if in case you speak a Ghanaian language, chaka chaka will be normal to you. But if you are not, if you don't know any Ghanaian language, it will be a strange word to you. But you are still learning. Now we have basa basa. Let's take this word. Kolo. Kolo means animal. Kolo. Kolo. So kolo basa basa mean. Basa basa is more like vagabond, barbarian, like that nasty character. So kolo basa basa mean. That means this animal behaves anyhow. It can be dangerous. Its character is spontaneous. So basa basa, something that is spontaneous, something, if we use basa basa to describe a human being, It means that person has a spontaneous character. Today the person is calm, tomorrow wrecking things. So basa basa. So no basa basa ne. He's a spontaneous man. He's an ill-charactered man. Heart, fi heart. Fi bibioni. It is a small heart. Fi bibioni. Fi bibioni. Let's take some few words which sometimes modify things. Let's take wa. Wa doesn't really have an actual translation. When you are translating it doesn't really exist. But you can take it as really or strongly. It's more like an adverb. So let's take a drink. Drink is da. Da. Okay, drink. So whether an alcoholic drink, a non-alcoholic drink, that is da. So enawa meaning to be strong, like as in the alcoholic level. Enawa. So da ni nawa. Alcohol that is strong. Da ni nawa. A strong alcohol. So da alcohol nawa or enawa. To be that's strong, the strength of the alcohol. The ni is more like a conjunction. If in case you speak German or French, let's use French. Maybe que. The sound que, like une personne que, I've seen the que over here. Okay? Une boisson que, the une boisson que, that's que, okay. In Spanish, que, okay, and perhaps un suco que, okay, un suco que, in Italian, una bevanda que. So that's que over there. That's in Ga, it is ne in Ga. Danny, drink drink that is strong. So maybe I am that, that, that over there. We say it as ni in Ga. So Danny nawa, drink that is strong. Danny nawa, wani, Danny nawa, wani. So an alcoholic drink that is really strong. Dani nawa wani. You let me tone down. Let me tone down so you can easily. So I don't want to be giving so many so that it will confuse you, but I want to give you. I want to remain a specific sentence so you grasp the concept. The only concept I want to grasp the concept about adjectives. Okay, don't really stress yourself that much. We learnt edo meaning to be hot. So here edo, the plate is hot. Here, now in this case we said the plate. So the here, the air will qualify the plate immediately, the plate, not chance here edo no. The air will rather is rather qualifying the plate here. So here edo, the plate is hot. Here ejo, the plate is cold. Remember myself. Ihe ejo. I am cold. So now we say myself is cold. Ihe ejo. Ihe edo. Myself is hot. So I'm hot. Myself is hot. Okay. Ehe edo. He is hot. Ehe edo. He is hot. Or ehe edo. She's hot or she's warm. Okay, let's use she's warm or she feels warm. That should be the appropriate translation. It's like I'm doing direct translation. Well, direct translation is good because it will still help you to grasp the entire ideology of the language. So let's take Riemo. Riemo means language. Riemo. Riemo Bonyo. Riemo Bonyo, bad language or evil language. Riemo Bonyo. Riemo Fong, evil language. Mumo. Mumo means spirit. So Mumo Fong, evil spirit. Mumo Fong. Mumo krong krong, Holy Spirit. Mumo krong krong. So the definitely know holy is krong krong. Male krong krong. Male means Bible or scriptures. Yes, male scriptures. So male krong krong. Male male krong krong. Male means scriptures. Okay. So male krong krong. Wolo krong krong. Holy book. Wolo krong krong. Okay. Lala krong krong. Holy song. Lala krong krong. Holy song. So Lala ni be krong krong. A non-holy song. Lala ni be krong krong. Song that is not holy. Lala ni be krong krong. Song that is not holy. Wolo ni ye krong krong. Song that is holy. So the opposite of be is ye. So ye is positive or affirmative, and be is negative. So ye means to be, and be is to be not. Wolo ni ye krong krong. Book that is holy. Wolo ni be krong krong. Wait, book that is not holy. Mo ni ye krong krong. Money a krong krong. Person that is holy. Money be krong krong. Person that is not holy. So we shall pause our lesson here. Can you do what to grasp this lesson very well? And hopefully Tuesday we are likely to get another lesson. That's Adjectives 4. Yeah, hopefully Tuesday or Wednesday, one of them, but it's likely to be on a Tuesday. Do well to share this lesson to help more people to discover this channel. And thank you very, very much for how far we've come. And please also, if in case you know someone willing to learn Ga, kindly recommend this channel to the person so that the person can also learn the language. Perhaps you are willing to travel to Ghana and don't know where to start from. This channel is the place to. If in case you want to know more about the Ga culture, kindly check the description box below. You will find a link aside the Ga Adjectives 1 and Ga Adjectives 2 in the description box below. You see vocabularies on religion in Ghana, that's the Ghana traditional religion. Can you do what to learn about the Ghana culture? And there are also cultural and festival videos on this channel. There are so many of them. Do well to locate them to learn more about our people. And like I say, thank you once again for joining us. Na, nyeyi, wala, dong.